Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video we will learn about how to create a new Facebook page. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon button for latest video. First of all, open your Facebook application. Here I will open my Facebook application and my account, and you will see here in the right of the top there is a 3 line. You go to here. When you go there, there is a open one page, and you see here one option for page here. Just you need to go there. And how many you have page already, you can see here I have a 3 page. 1 2 3. I have already 3 page. Now we are create a new Facebook page. So when you see here, there is no any options for creating new page, and when you scroll here, you see here there is a one option for create. Okay, you need to go there, and in the downside there is a get started, and here you mention your page name. And what is your page name? Example, I will put here Lucky Boy, and go to the next. And when you go to next, there is a category. You need to select category. There is some category in the below: personal, blogs, beauty, cosmetics, restaurant, camera, photo, and up to you which category you need to select. So I will select here personal blog, and just go to the next. When you go next, you mention here website. If you have website, you can mention here. If you no have any website, you just check here I don't have any website, and check here, and next. Go to next. Here you select the profile picture here, and here you select cover page. When I go here, you when select here profile picture, and here you select cover page. If you no select, go done and go to the page, and you see here we will create a new page. So very easy to create a new page. If you like to create a Facebook page, you will follow the video step by step, and you create the new page. And now you have the settings, and when you see the below down, there is a imported text. If you add image, you add image. Invite friend, you will go to the invite friends and select and send the notification. And suggest friend, join group, contact WhatsApp. If you need to connect your WhatsApp number, you will also link here your mobile number and connect with WhatsApp. And there is a create post. If you post now, you will select here create post, and a photo, video, or what you like to post, you will post. Okay, and next is the set up the messaging. If you need to set up the messaging, you will select. Okay, here is a see all button. What is you like to button, you need to add the button. And here 3-4 option: add your location, add your site, add your hours, and available hours. Okay, if you don't like, you can go. If you like to select the button and your page, you go to the edit page and select the your button. Okay, and after that, if you like to post, you post here, and also you post here. And if you like to change the profile picture or select the profile picture, go to the plus, and you will select the profile picture. And if you like to the button here, like, follow, or any button, you need to select here. You go to the create button here, and you will select the button. See, here is so many button: book now, and call now, contact us, if you send message, WhatsApp, use app, and watch video. What you which is you like, you will select the button and set there. Okay, and you see we are successfully create our new page. It's very easy, and please follow the video step by step, and create your new Facebook page. Friends, if you like my video, please like, comment, and share to other, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.